I am worthy of love and happiness. I trust the process of life. Every day, I am growing stronger and wiser. I am open to new and wonderful changes. I am at peace with who I am. My thoughts are filled with positivity. I am a magnet for love, joy, and abundance. I am safe and secure in every moment. I am constantly evolving into a better version of myself. I release all worry and welcome peace. I choose thoughts that create a healthy atmosphere within. I am grateful for the love that fills my life. My mind is calm, clear, and centered. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I attract only good things into my life. I am surrounded by love and support. I have the power to change my thoughts and my life. I am a beautiful, unique soul. I am open to receiving love and kindness. I am in harmony with my surroundings. I am worthy of all the wonderful things in life. I am grateful for every experience. I release all doubts and fears. I am deserving of success and abundance. My life is filled with possibilities. I am patient and calm, trusting my path. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am grounded, centered, and focused. I let go of negative thoughts. I am the creator of my destiny. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am free to create the life I desire. My life is a reflection of my positive thoughts. I am surrounded by love everywhere I go. I choose happiness and peace. I am in charge of my emotions. I am grateful for the beauty around me. My heart is open to love and light. I release all resistance to success. I attract loving and supportive people. I am gentle with myself and others. I am thankful for today. I trust the timing of my life. I am strong, confident, and capable. I radiate joy, love, and positivity. I am a powerful creator of my reality. I choose to be kind to myself. I am grateful for all that I have. My potential is limitless. I believe in the good things coming to me. I am aligned with my highest good. I am worthy of a life filled with joy. I am open to new ideas and perspectives. I release anything that no longer serves me. I am worthy of healing and growth. I am at peace with my past. I am surrounded by positivity and light. I am worthy of respect and love. I accept myself just as I am. I am in tune with the abundance of the universe. I am free from worry and stress. I am grateful for each blessing in my life. My life is filled with purpose and joy. I am resilient, strong, and brave. I am open to all good things life has to offer. I attract abundance in all areas of my life. I am deeply loved and valued. I am committed to growing and expanding. I am kind to myself and my body. I am the architect of my life. I am thankful for the gifts this day will bring. I am grateful for my journey. I let go of anger and resentment. I am in alignment with the universe. I am worthy of all good things. I release the need to control everything. I am a light in the world. I am at peace with all that has happened. I choose peace over worry. I am grateful for my strength and resilience. I am a magnet for miracles. I am deserving of rest and relaxation. My happiness is within me. I am free to be myself. I welcome peace and joy into my heart. I am surrounded by abundance. I release all tension and stress. I am deserving of all the love and happiness. I accept and love myself fully. I am growing stronger every day. I am free from past limitations. I am full of vitality and optimism. I am a beautiful expression of life. I let go of all that does not serve me. I am deserving of my dreams and goals. I am thankful for every moment. I am constantly learning and evolving. I choose to see the beauty in life. I am confident in my abilities. I am a unique and valuable person. I am safe, secure, and protected. I am surrounded by blessings. I am worthy of love and affection. I am open to receiving the best in life. I am proud of who I am. I choose joy and love over fear. I am at peace with who I am. I am grateful for each breath I take. I am open to new possibilities. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am grateful for the kindness around me. I choose to see the good in others. I am filled with love, joy, and gratitude. I am the author of my own story. I am worthy of all the love in the world. I am open to life's endless blessings. I let go of all worry and anxiety. I am grateful for the lessons life brings. I choose to forgive and move forward. I am a source of peace and calm. I am full of light and energy. I release all fears and welcome love. I am thankful for the people in my life. I am enough, just as I am. I am a powerful force for good. I attract success and prosperity. I am proud of my achievements. I am open to the love that surrounds me. I am at peace with the world. I am thankful for this moment. I am deserving of a joyful life. I am strong in mind, body, and spirit. I am grateful for the love I receive. I am becoming the best version of myself. I release fear and embrace love. I am surrounded by positive energy. I am deserving of all my dreams. I am at peace with where I am. I am filled with courage and strength. I am thankful for all that I am. I choose positivity and peace. I am free to create my own happiness. I am aligned with my true purpose. I am a source of love and joy. I am thankful for every challenge I overcome. I am blessed with endless opportunities. I am constantly attracting success. I am the light in my own life. I am open to receiving endless blessings. I am grateful for every step of my journey. I am constantly attracting experiences that align with my highest good and bring joy into my life. Every day, I choose to rise above my past and fully step into my limitless potential. My life is a series of beautiful moments, and I am grateful for each one that shapes me into who I am. I am fully capable of achieving my dreams, and every step I take brings me closer to them. I release any need for perfection and embrace my growth, knowing I am always learning and evolving. I am a channel of peace, sharing calm and kindness with everyone I meet. My life is filled with endless possibilities, and I am excited to see them unfold. I am constantly finding new ways to expand my mind, grow my heart, and uplift my spirit. I am grateful for my unique journey, trusting that each experience serves a purpose. I attract positive energy and am surrounded by people who uplift and inspire me. I believe in the goodness of life and trust that all things are unfolding perfectly. I am a magnet for miracles, welcoming unexpected blessings into my life each day. I trust my intuition, allowing it to guide me toward opportunities that align with my values. I release all that does not serve me, creating space for love, joy, and abundance to flow. My thoughts are a powerful tool, and I choose to fill them with positivity and hope. I am worthy of all the beautiful things life has to offer, and I am open to receiving them. I am constantly growing, evolving, and becoming my best self with each new experience. I have a resilient spirit that allows me to overcome any challenge with grace and courage. I am grounded, focused, and fully present in each moment, appreciating the beauty around me. I am the creator of my happiness, and I have everything I need within me to be at peace. I am proud of my journey, recognizing the strength it took to get where I am today. My mind is a place of peace and positivity, and I guard it by choosing thoughts that serve me. I am grateful for my health, my mind, and my ability to experience life fully. I release any limiting beliefs and replace them with thoughts that empower and uplift me. I am worthy of achieving my dreams and know that my potential is unlimited. I am open to receiving love and joy, and I am constantly surrounded by people who value me. I choose to focus on solutions, knowing I have the strength to overcome any obstacle. I am becoming more confident each day and trust in my ability to achieve my goals. I am surrounded by supportive, loving people who bring out the best in me. I am grateful for the little things in life, and I cherish every blessing. I am in tune with my purpose, and I trust my journey with faith and patience. I am worthy of love, respect, and all the good things life has to offer. I release self-doubt and fully step into my power, knowing I am capable of greatness. I am at peace with who I am and look forward to becoming who I am meant to be. I am worthy of forgiveness, and I choose to let go of all past regrets and mistakes. I am a beacon of positivity, and my presence brings light and love to those around me. I am grateful for the love and support I receive from those around me. I am open to learning and growing, and I trust that every experience brings wisdom. I choose to see the best in myself and others, bringing compassion into every interaction. I am worthy of all my desires, and I am open to receiving them in perfect timing. I have everything I need within me to create a life of happiness and fulfillment. I am a creator of my reality, and my thoughts, words, and actions shape my world. I am grateful for every moment that brings me closer to my dreams and aspirations. I trust that the universe is supporting me in ways I cannot yet see. I am resilient, capable, and worthy of achieving my greatest desires. I release all fears and step forward with confidence, knowing I am on the right path. I am open to change, trusting that each shift brings me closer to my highest good. I am a magnet for positive experiences, and I attract joy, love, and abundance easily. I am grateful for each day and the endless opportunities it brings for growth. I trust my journey, even when it takes unexpected turns, knowing it all serves a purpose. I am worthy of my dreams, and I am actively moving toward them with courage. I choose to let go of worry, embracing peace and positivity instead. I am surrounded by endless blessings, and I am grateful for every one of them. I am becoming more empowered with each choice that aligns with my values. I choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. I am worthy of creating a life I love, filled with peace and purpose. I am a source of love, kindness, and compassion, and I give freely to those around me. I am grateful for my strength and resilience, and I trust myself completely. I am a vessel of joy, sharing positivity and light wherever I go. I am open to receiving all the blessings that life has to offer. I am constantly attracting people, experiences, and opportunities that uplift me. I am proud of my progress, no matter how small each step may be. I am in control of my happiness, and I create joy in my life every day. I am worthy of living a life filled with peace, joy, and abundance. I trust the wisdom within me to guide me toward my dreams. I am grateful for the opportunities that help me grow and expand. I am becoming more aware of the beauty that surrounds me each day. I am confident in my ability to overcome any challenge that comes my way. I am worthy of the love, happiness, and success I seek. I choose to see the good in every experience, knowing it all serves a purpose. I am a magnet for love, abundance, and prosperity. I am grateful for each day that brings me closer to my goals. I am in harmony with the world around me, and peace flows within me. I am creating a life that reflects my true self and brings me joy. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I am worthy of my dreams, and I pursue them with courage and determination. I am grateful for my resilience, which allows me to face any situation with strength. I am a source of positive energy and light for myself and others. I am at peace with the person I am becoming. I am committed to my well-being, nurturing my mind, body, and soul. I am constantly attracting love and kindness into my life. I am grateful for my unique path and the lessons it brings. I am creating a life I am proud of, filled with love and purpose. I am open to receiving guidance, support, and love from the universe. I am a powerful creator of my reality, and my life is filled with possibilities. I am grateful for my strength, resilience, and courage. I am constantly growing and evolving into my highest self. I am a vessel of love, compassion, and gratitude. I am worthy of happiness and embrace it fully each day. I am aligned with my purpose, and every action brings me closer to it. I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. I am grateful for each day that brings me closer to my dreams. I am becoming the best version of myself, one day at a time. I am filled with peace, happiness, and joy. I am open to new opportunities for growth and expansion. I am a magnet for miracles, and my life is filled with blessings. I am grateful for my journey, trusting that it leads me to my highest good. I am surrounded by positive, loving energy. I am proud of my achievements and look forward to my future successes. I am in tune with the abundance of life. I am worthy of every dream and goal I have set for myself. I am grateful for my ability to create change. I am filled with courage and joy. I am a creator of love and joy. I am deserving of a life filled with love and kindness. I am empowered to create a beautiful life.